Hey friends, since I like to keep you in the loop, I wanted to let you know that HTVRONT is having a sale on their manual heat press machine. I have this heat press and I love it. It's 15 by 15, so it's perfect for large projects. It comes in blue and white, and it's programmable. You can easily set the temperature and time setting for perfect results every single time. I also love the sturdy design and that it rotates 180 degrees both ways for easy use. Just use the code WH20, I'll post it in the description below, and you're gonna save nearly $40 off the regular price. That's enough for all kinds of extra craft supplies to make some Halloween projects like we're making today. I'll leave all the links in the description. Are you ready? Let's make a fun Halloween t-shirt with my HTVRONT manual heat press. HTVRONT has amazing products and all at wonderful prices. The iron-on vinyls are some of my favorites. I created a simple PNG file. Make sure to mirror your image before you cut. Once the graphic is cut, I weed it. I always find it easier to weed when the image is still adhered to the cutting mat. The manual heat press is so easy to use. Just turn it on, turn the temperature dial to your desired setting, and then turn the timer dial to the amount of time that you'll need. Place the shirt onto the heat press, position the cutout, lower the heat press, and double-click the timer button. Super easy. Raise the press and let your graphic cool. This is a cool peel. Since I'm adding another element, I cover the pressed area with a Teflon sheet. Press again, cool, and peel. Simple as that. This heat press machine is amazing and I love using it. Make sure to use the code WH20 for the amazing sale on the HTVRONT manual heat press. Happy Halloween, everyone! I'm gonna leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.